Hey guys, Ben here with Youngblood's RV and Outdoor of Mayfield, Kentucky. Today we're going to showcase three of our top-selling single-axle floor plans. Right behind me here is the 2022 Dutchman Aspen Trail 17BH. It weighs 3,040 pounds dry, so it's extremely half-ton towable, maybe even a SUV, smaller SUV. So we'll point out a few top features of these and let us know what you think in the comments. We're standing inside the 17BH by Aspen Trail. This does have a queen bed in the front. Your dinette folds down to a bed. You have a side mount air conditioner there with storage up above. And then back here is your bunks. You do have two bunks. Across from the bunks is your refrigerator and microwave. You do have a fireplace in this one as well. Bathroom is in the rear. This is our new 2022 Jayco J-Flight SLX 174BH. This does have an electric awning, outside speakers, and the LED lighting underneath. It has a queen bed in the front, a ton of storage across the front and on the side. This does have the roof mount air conditioner. This is in the modern farmhouse cabinetry interior design. This has a full-size refrigerator and freezer, the shower with toilet, and then the skylight. And then across from that, we do have actual bunks here. So this is our Jayco 195 RV. This floor plan is perfect for just a couple, hanging closet, lots of storage there, and your shower, toilet, and then skylight in the shower. It does have a roof mount air conditioner. This is a 6 cubic foot gas and electric refrigerator. And the interior of this is the modern farmhouse decor. Kitchen sink, and there's actually quite a bit of storage in here as well. Underneath there, and then next to the bed. So check them out on our website. We're actually running a sale on these particular models, and if you guys have any questions at all, just let us know. You can reach us at our website, www.youngbloodrv.com.